Hello everybody, welcome back to SkillWeb. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to insert a page break in Google Docs. So let's get started the video. At first, open your Google Docs document and then click where you want the new page to begin. After that, go to the top menu and select Insert. From the drop-down menu, choose Break and then click on Page Break. And that's it, a new page is created right where you placed the cursor. Alternatively, you can also use a keyboard shortcut. Press Ctrl plus Enter on Windows or Command plus Enter on Mac. And there you go. I hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at SkillWeb. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.